integrity. Dr. Aris was a man of great purpose, his mind a labyrinth of groundbreaking ideas. But his work, so full of promise, was plagued by a persistent and costly problem. His precious biological samples, the very foundation of his research, were losing their integrity. Each degraded sample was a step backward, a drain on his lab's budget, and a tax on his team's morale. The traditional methods of preservation were failing, and the pressure to find a solution was mounting. Then, in a moment of serendipity, he read about a new solution, BiomLife. The product promised something extraordinary, unmatched stability for biological samples, even at room temperature. Skeptical but hopeful, he ordered a trial kit. The instructions were simple, the process elegant. He carefully applied BiomLife to his most critical samples, a batch of delicate proteins that had always been a challenge to preserve. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Dr. Aris monitored his samples with a new sense of calm. When he finally analyzed the results, the data was undeniable. His samples, even after 3.5 years, showed no proliferation and maintained their integrity, performing as if they had just been collected. BiomLife's performance was just as impressive. With a 90% recovery efficiency for DNA, RNA, and microbes, it was a game-changer. It could even revive aerobic, anaerobic, and fastidious microbes, a feat he had once thought impossible. The financial impact was immediate. The need for expensive cold storage and the constant cost of replacing degraded samples were eliminated. BiomLife's ability to work in extreme climates and rural health settings also meant an end to costly cold chain transport. BiomLife's reputation was well earned. Approved by the Gates Foundation, the Union, and ICMR, it was a product trusted by labs in 5 continents. This validation gave Dr. Aris the confidence to scale his research. With the burden of sample degradation lifted, his team could focus on what truly mattered, the science. Their research accelerated, leading to breakthroughs in biobanking, microbiome, TB, AMR, sepsis, and cancer studies. BiomLife had delivered on its promise of unmatched stability and high performance, turning a frustrating challenge into a story of success. For Dr. Aris, it was more than just a product. It was the key that unlocked the full potential of his work and the future of scientific discovery.